Hello everyone, welcome. I just want to share with you how you can upgrade your Office from any version that you may be using to the latest 2021 version free without any charge. Now, I've provided this folder in the Google Classroom for those of you who have enrolled for my Excel course. And if you are actually watching this video from YouTube, you can download this file in the description. So once you download, you simply have to open, and once you open, you have then open this notepad, the command, and then you can, once you just open the notepad, and this is what you're going to have. So for us to install the Office 2021 version, this is what we're going to do. The process is actually very simple. Now, the step one says you have to go to these are step one. So just follow this step. And then we go to inside the Office 21 folder and type CMD. So we are actually inside the Office 21 folder now. So I'll just click like this. Then I will type CMD and then I'll press enter. And then this should of course open for us. And then we have our notepad. Once you finish that process, then step two, we type the below command and press enter. So you can just copy this command and then paste and then press on enter, and then you just wait for a while. The command will actually download some file in the background. You may not be seeing it, it will not show, but just wait for it. It's actually downloading those files in the background, and when it is done, we're going to see what it's going to bring us. So we only have to wait for it and make sure you are connected to the internet. Depending on the speed of your internet, it may take time, or it may actually download very fast depending on the speed of your internet. So we simply wait for it to finish the download. So you see that we now have our Office now loading after the step three, after we have copied the step three, and we have actually pressed on enter. So we can see that our Office is now, of course, downloading the way it should download. So the process is actually very simple. After the necessary file has been downloaded in the background, it should of course install for you automatically, and you see that we now have our Office is actually installing the case as the case. We now have the Office installing. Just hold on for it to finish the installation, and then we uh, uh, yeah, the installation is going fine. So let's just wait for it to finish installing. Like I said, depending on the speed of your internet, it should be done in a few minutes. And as you can see, that it's actually installing the Office. So let's just wait for it to finish. So we have our Office installed, and you can see it say you are all set. Office is installed now. So we simply close, and then our work is done. So let's just try what we have done and see whether it's working. So I'm going to close this installer. I'm going to close this also. Yes. And then let's see those things that we have installed, whether we have it. Let me search for Excel. You can see Excel is there. Let me open and see whether what we have done is actually correct. So we have this, click on close. Then let's open, have a new document, and then we have it. So let's look at the property of what we have installed. Go to account, and then it says activation required. So how do we activate this particular product? We have actually successfully installed it. So let's see how we can actually activate it as the case may be. So let's go. Now I'm going to close this, and then let's do the activation now, as the case may be. To activate it, just go to CMD, just type CMD, and then you just run it. The command prompt, you want to run it as administrator, so just run it as administrator. Then just click on yes, and then you have this. So from the notepad that we provided, you just have to copy. The first step, you have to run the same day as administrator. Second one, copy this code, just copy and paste. The same day, just Control C, and then just paste it here and press on enter. And then go to the second one, paste, Control C, just paste it, and then press on enter. And then you simply have to wait for it to run some programming at the other hand, and then you only have to wait for all of those stuff to install. So you have it. So the next one is the step 3. This particular step, we paste this code. Simply have to paste this code. I want to see that I've copied everything. Okay, I've copied everything. Control C. Let me minimize it this way. Then I'll paste it this way, and then we have it to be processing. It will download all that is required. It's processing, and then we go to step 4, activation office. Using the key, make sure you are connected to the internet. So we simply have to paste all of this code one after the other, starting from here. Let me put this up a bit. Starting from here, I'm going to copy this, Control C. Here, I'm going to paste and press on enter. Then I will copy the second one. I'm going to paste. Press on enter. We keep working. I'll copy the third one. Control C. You can see that everything we are doing is writing successful. I'll paste it. It's working, actually working. Processing. You can see it. I'm going to copy this last code. Here, I'll paste. It's working, it's processing. And then I'll copy this last one. Control C. And then you can see that even before pasting the last one, we have product key installed successfully. It's successful already. So let's just put in the last code. Control V. Then I will simply exit, and then we have all of that. So from what we have done, we see that the program is exiting. It's actually exited. So from what I have done, let's open our Excel and see whether what we have done has actually worked. We'll open a new document. I will go to the account, and you see that our office has been activated. This is how you actually get it for live. That's been activated. So this is how the procedure you're supposed to follow when you want to install the. So I'll simply close this. I'll close this, and then we see the office is installed. Let me look for Word. Then you have it, the latest of Microsoft. Microsoft Word to open. Then we have it. So let me open the new document. Then you see it. You go to account. Then you see that it is activated. So this is how you actually get it for live. So you do it. Thank you so much for staying with me. If you have actually learned anything, please give me a thumbs up. So I will drop all of this entire process in the description. So you simply have to download and make use of it.